And finally, I have the most prettiest, cutest and aesthetic planner from the brand Supple Room. Initially, when I did list the 2026 planners that I want to review, I did not have this in my list at all. In fact, I did a giveaway for this in 2025, but somehow I did not add it in my list. But then so many of you asked me to review this particular brand, and then I thought I'll do a walkthrough of it. But then in 2025, we did a giveaway for this particular planner, and I wanted to see how 2026 is going to be. So even before their launch, when their pre-orders were open, I did pre-order it and I have received it now. This is the design that I have selected, and you can choose different other cover options from their website. So all of them are actually cute. And I ordered planner with 4 sticker sheets, and they have different option also. Like if you want, you can buy the entire bundle. If you order the planner and sticker sheet, for now it is available at 1150, and if you order the entire bundle which comes with some sticker book and so many other cute stuff, that comes for 1950. You can choose whichever you want. I received this planner in the most cutest packaging, and I couldn't refrain myself from unboxing it, so I did the unboxing earlier, and yeah, I'm shooting this part later. So in this video, I'll take you through the unboxing of this planner, what are the things that I had inside, and the detailed flip through of what are the layouts this planner has. And the good news, I'm going to give this planner and these 4 sheets of stickers as a giveaway, and I'm so excited to know who that winner is going to be. So I will share the giveaway details also in this video. So hey guys, vanakkam and welcome back to another video of Keep Going. This is Benny, and without any wait, let's get started. Before we begin, let me admit the fact that I did the unboxing already. I in fact did film that, I did edit it, but that file got corrupted and I have to do it again now. But I wanted to show you how cute I received it, so I have put everything back in. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a heads up on that. So this is how the packaging was. It was super cute in this color, and I received a sticker with it which says special package just for you. The cover was quite damaged. I hope you can see it here. But that's okay because the product inside wasn't damaged at all. So let's open it. So this is how the box was. It was super pretty in this pink with some stickers and all. So yeah, I've already opened it, and yeah, this is how the packaging was. At least similar to this, I just tried to put in how I received it so that you get to see how it is. It was super cute, super professional, and I totally loved how I received it. So let's open it together again now. Ta-da! So yeah, this is how it was. Now let's see the products one by one. So first we have the sticker, which is this planner has an option of customization. And last time when I did the customization, they did print it in the planner itself. But this time they have given it as 2 stickers instead. So I gave the name as Keep Going for customization. So they have given 2 stickers and I can paste it anywhere I want, which is cool. And they have also given the instructions on how you can use the sticker. So yeah, you can use it if you require. And then they have given a cute little thank you card, which is so pretty, so aesthetic. It's very nice. And I did order this planner even before they launched. So for that reason, they have given a special thank you card, which is super cute. And they have my name also mentioned here, which says Dearest Benny, which is so cute. And I think this is a special freebie that they have given for the pre-orders only. You may have to check with them if it's still available now. This is super cute. All these 3D stickers are so pretty and I can't wait to use them. And then they've also given 4 sheets of stickers. As I said, like I have selected the option of planner with 4 sheets of stickers. And let's see what the 4 sheets are. Okay. This is the first sheet, the second, the third, and the fourth. Every sticker is so pretty and so aesthetic, and I totally love it. They also have the cutest 2026 holiday list. It's so pretty. And finally, it's the planner. So when I received it with a small dirt over here, and I think that's okay. It was a very minor thing. So this is how the front print is. It's so pretty and so cute. I totally love it. Now let's open and see how it is on the inside. So this is their front page. I hope you get to see it properly now. Okay, so this is the front page where you can write your name, and I love how pretty this page is and the colors and all. And then You have a page where you can write your, memories from 2025, your special moments, or even you can stick pictures. And then you have a space for coloring. Recently, I'm addicted to coloring, so I really love this page. And then you have your 2026 calendar view. You can maybe highlight the important dates over here. And towards your right, you have a space to actually determine how you want 2026 to be. Like you can update your word for the year, quote for the year, intentions, your main goals, and whatnot. And then you have a space as year at a glance. So this space you can use to track anything that you want to track on a yearly level. Generally, I track when my gas gets over and when I refill it, so that I don't miss out on ordering a new cylinder. So that thing I maintain here. Apart from that, any cleaning that you do on a like 6 months once basis or monthly basis, you can have them here so that you get to see when did you do it the last time. So it gives a pretty good view for that. And then we have a space for vision board, which is already illustrated and it's so pretty. You can either stick pictures here or you can write down your visions. So either way it will look good. So 2 pages, I think it's a good one. And then you have a space to determine your goals. Like if you know me, you know I generally maintain 3 categories, which is personal, work, and creativity or fun. But here they have added additional 3 goals, which is health and wellness, relationships, and finances, which is also equally important. So I really love the way that they have given these 6 categories, which is pretty useful. And not just that, towards the right, you have a space to actually write the steps that you're going to take to accomplish these goals. So it's a practical one. So you're not just going to write the goals, but you're also going to write the actionable steps here. And then you have a space which says self-care and well-being. So here you have some prompts which will help you understand even more. And towards your right, you have a self-love menu. So they have given example here as spend a slow morning. So you can do different things that, for your self-love time, and you can update it here. And then you have a cute page for your bucket list where you can write all the bucket lists that you have for 2026. And towards the right, this is the most cutest mood tracker I've ever seen. So they have given small checkboxes for every month, and below you have the legends for your different moods like happy, excited, blah, anxious, sad, angry. So you can give different colors for them, and for each day you can color these boxes, and by the end of the year you get to see how many days you were happy, you were sad, and all of that. And it's very cute. And then you have a separate tracker to track your health. So by the end of the year you get to see how many days you were doing well, you were doing okay, you were ill, and all of that. So it's pretty a good one. And towards your right, you also have a space for your period tracker, which is so cute. And then you have a space which says books to read and movies to watch. You can write down your wish list here, and there was some dirt here, and I think that's okay. And towards your right, you have a space which says months at a glance. So here you can write the important highlights of each month, or the things that you're grateful for, or any affirmations that you want to add, or you can stick down your pictures on how you looked each of those months. So you can customize this page as however you want, and the page is pretty cute. And then, okay, the monthly pages begin, and look at this, guys, the artwork. Oh my god, it's so pretty. This is for Jan. I really love, we get some talent to design something like this, but it's so pretty. And here, if you see towards your left, you have your calendar view, and below you have a space to write down your favorites, either it's a song, show, book, or whatever it is. It is really good because every month you will have different favorites, and by the end of December you get to see like which was your favorite in the month of Jan or any other month. So it's a good one to track your favorites. And then you have your monthly overview page. I really love how minimal they have kept this page, because you can customize it and decorate it however you want, and the color, the artwork, everything is so pretty. Here you also have a space to write down your main monthly goal or your focus for the month, and a space for affirmations and important dates. So it's a good one. And then you have a space for your habit tracker. Here you have a space to track 7 different habits, and actually this differs every month. Like few months you can track 7 habits and few months it's 8, because this layout keeps changing every month. And then here you have a space for your finances. This is one thing I feel they should have had 1 or 2 pages extra, because this page wouldn't be enough to track more. So at a very higher level you can, but I wish they had 1 or 2 pages for finances separately. And then here you have a space as pause and plan. This is the space where you're actually going to determine your goals for the month. What are your intentions, your gratitude? The space is pretty small, but at a higher level you can track the things that you're really grateful for in the month of Jan. And then you have a self-care checklist, checklist, mini challenges, quote for the month. So this is the place where you're going to determine how you want the month to be. And then you have a space here which says glow up, do more of, do less of, which you can write down. And here start your journaling space. This planner has a layout which starts Monday to Sunday, but I think Jan 1st starts on Thursday. For that reason, they have kept this page blank or used it for something else. But if you see here, it starts on a Monday until Sunday, and then you have a space for your reflections. It also has a space for your water tracker, so you can track your water by the time you do the journaling. And even the meal tracker is included along with the journaling space, so you can write your breakfast, lunch and dinner details here. And similarly, it goes down for all the weeks. After 31st Jan, you have a space for your notes and doodles, and then you have a space for your monthly reflection. So they have already given some prompts here. You just have to answer them to reflect how Jan was and what you can do for Feb. And then you have 3 empty pages for brain dump, which is so good and they are so colorful. So you can customize it if you want any other layout to be tracked, or you can plan for your next month here. And then you have the page for Feb. Look at the artwork. It's so pretty and so cute. Similarly, you'll have different artworks for all the months. It's so pretty. And then the layouts will be pretty the same. The only thing that differs will be this layout. I mean, mainly the colors and the way of the habit tracker also. So this actually keeps changing every month. I'll give you a view of how it is. Apart from that, if you see the activities, there will be some new activities each month, I believe. But the journaling space and all the others are the same. So let me show you some different habit trackers that we have for each month. So yeah, some months you can track up to 8 habits and some months it's up to 7 habits. So that keeps changing. So yeah. This is for September, but only for September I did not like this color and artwork. I don't know why. For the other months, it's pretty cute. This is for October. I really love this color. I really wish they had this particular layout in September. But yeah, but it's so cute. This is for November and this is for December. After December reflections, you have 4 pages for your brain dump, and all these pages are so cute. And after that, you have a space for your year-end reflection. This planner does not have space for your quarterly or half-yearly reflections. You have the monthly reflections, and then here you have the space for your year-end reflections, where you can write your accomplishments, highlights, setbacks, skills learned, and all of this. So you just have to reflect on how the entire year was, and you can fill this page. And then here you have a space for your emotional check-in. This helps you understand more about yourself, and towards your right you have a space for your notes to self. Here you can write some positive affirmations to yourself or anything important that you want to note down, or you can use it however you want. And then you have a space as daily affirmations. I think this you can read it every day. They have a predefined set of affirmations, very simple, and you can just read it out every day. It's really good. And towards your right you have a space to track your little things worth smiling about. So if you have anything, you can note all this at any point of the year. And then here you have a space which says moments I want to remember. Again, anything important that you want to remember, you can write it at any point of the year. Maybe you can write the date or time also if it is required. And very cute, here you have a space for your kind letter to myself. So yeah, a letter to yourself space is also there. I thought this was missing because most of the planners have this page in the beginning of the planner itself, but they have towards the end. So by the time you get your new planner, please do fill this page, and you can read it up anytime you want. So this is a very cute page. And then here you have 2 pages for your password management, which is good because today we have so many passwords for different websites, so you can update it. And then the prettiest part is they have so many empty pages. So they are all so pretty, and for a person like me, I can't randomly color or use it as a rough note or something like that. But yeah, it's very good that they have so many pages and you can, make use of it. And then in the end, you have a thank you note, and then you also have a back pocket, which is good because you can store your sticker sheets. And tada, that's it. This is how the planner is about. So this is the loop that they have. So only thing, it's white and it may get dirty when you use it regularly, but it actually adds to the aesthetic of the planner. I don't think any other color will serve the purpose, but it's cute. And they also have 2 bookmarks, which is really good, but both of them are the same color. So I wish they have given some different color, maybe blue and pink. But yeah, that's fine. At least they have 2 bookmarks. So that's it about the planners. I hope you love the planner as much as I did. So I've shared my review when I did the detailed flip through itself. But then if you ask me overall on a review of this particular planner, my honest review will be, this is totally worth the price. I really love the aesthetics, the colors, the layouts, and each and every illustrations and artwork in this planner. They're all so pretty. But few things which I feel could have been better is they don't have the quarterly reflections and the half-yearly reflections also. Of course, you have your monthly reflections. So in case you want to do a quarterly or half-yearly reflection, you may have to stick additional pages or something to do that. So that is something which is missing in this planner. And one major thing I miss is stickers. Of course, they have given 4 sheets of stickers, but to me as a person who uses more stickers, this won't be enough for an entire year, because you can see the size is pretty small and it's just 4 sheets. So at least they could have given some additional sheets of stickers or some, bigger size ones. And because their artworks are so pretty and their stickers are also damn pretty, so I really want so much from them. I saw their bundle. If you buy the bundle, you get the sticker book also. I wish they sell it separately, because I will be interested to buy from them, because I really love how cute they are. But yeah, when someone orders a planner, and if they're a person who loves more stickers, I think this sticker will not be enough and you have to buy something additional. So that's one major drawback I feel for a person like me who uses a lot of stickers. Apart from that, it's so good. And this planner has 2 bookmarks, which is awesome. They have a back pocket. They have so many empty pages for your brain dump and all. But the sad thing is they are all so pretty and you can't just use it to scribble something. At least I cannot do that at all. So I will save it for the best time, and that time will never come. But don't be like me. Start using it, guys. It's very useful and it's very nice. Even the journaling space, I think it's pretty decent. They have enough space for you to do your journal, for water tracker, and they have also added the meal tracker along with the journaling space, which is quite good. But if you want to see the meals separately, then you don't have a choice here. So yeah, apart from that, it's so good. I don't have anything major to talk about. It could have been better part, but then I really love the entire thing. So it's such a good planner. And now let's see about the giveaway rules. The rules are pretty simple, same like our previous giveaway. In case you have participated, you know it already, but I'll repeat it again. So this giveaway will have 3 simple steps. One is you'll have to subscribe to our channel. I hope you have subscribed already. In case you haven't, please do subscribe now. And second, you should have followed us on Instagram. So I will share my Instagram link in the description. You can check it out. And third, let me know in the comments on which is your favorite part about this planner and how you're planning to use it if you win this giveaway. So these are the 3 simple steps. Once you're done with these 3, take a snip and send it to me in Instagram, and done. That's it. So the giveaway starts today, and I will mention in the description on the details when this giveaway will end and when the results will be announced. So you can check it out, because I haven't decided on the dates yet. So by the time I upload this video, I'll update the dates in the description. So don't forget to check it out. I will select one person randomly and announce as the winner in Instagram. And when you participate for this giveaway, please do participate it only for fun, because I don't want anyone to be hurt by the time I announce the results. So this is just for fun, and I'm picking a person randomly, guys. Once I announce a winner, please do send me your address details so that I can confirm you on the shipping cost, and you will have to pay me the shipping cost only, which will be around 100 to 150 rupees, and that's it. And in case you want to purchase this planner, I will share their website link in the description. They have so many other products also. So in case you are interested in any of them, you can choose them out. If you're watching this video till now, I hope you found this video really helpful. So don't forget to hit that like button, because that will help this video reach even more audience. And please share this video to your friends and family, or if there's anyone who's interested in planning, journaling, stationery, share this video to them, because they will find it more interesting. And if you have an option to hype this video, please do hype it. And I hope you've already subscribed to this channel. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to join this little community where we spread love, happiness, and lots of positivity. I'll see you soon in another video. Until then, let's start. Bye-bye from Benny. Spread love, spread smiles. Keep going. Bye.